Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to take a look at this product called Borrowify. So this is a Borrowify review, and as you can see at the top it says the fastest way to build trust and repo with your audience. One-click app lets you ethically hijack sites like NY Times, Daily Mail and Fox News to collect leads, payments and free traffic. Hijack authority from any site, no extra fees, commercial license included. Now this is false, okay? It says hijack authority from any site. This is a false statement. I'll prove this in the end. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because there are two sides of this particular software. This is a plugin actually for WordPress websites. So one part is that yes, it's a good plugin. It lets you create duplicate sites. It lets you to actually hijack the layout, the looks of some other websites, but it does not hijack their authority, and I'll prove that in a moment. So this is actually not a make money software, so do not buy this if you think you will make some money with it. No, you will not make any money, but you can design some beautiful websites, and I'll show you the demo as well. Here's the demo we have. So we'll go through everything one by one. Make sure you stick till the end, and before we start the review, make sure you see these two disclaimers first. Secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online, okay? So all those money making offers which you see on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, stay away from them. No software, no website, no dashboard can make you money online until and unless you have some expertise, you have some skills. So first of all, stop wasting money online. That is the first step towards making money online, okay? And next thing is people crap you about bonuses. So we are going to talk about bonuses here as well, that how you need to stop wasting money by seeing some bonuses. So sometimes you see that you're getting this bonus, that bonus, and you start buying some products which you don't even need. So we'll talk about the bonuses in the end as well. And then finally, you need to subscribe to this channel as well, because if you don't subscribe, you will not see our videos in the future. So subscribe to the channel and press that bell notification, because this channel doesn't do not sell you anything, because here we make money using YouTube ads. We don't need your money, okay? So we don't sell crap here, but we give you honest reviews here so that you can save your money from losing, okay? Now let's get back to this website and start the review. So it says you can duplicate sites and this and that. Let's go through the features here. It says completely legal and ethical to do. So maybe it's legal. Fully edit any site of your choice, okay? I agree with that. Auto post to top social platforms in one click for free traffic. So again, when it comes to free traffic, it is all about going to Facebook and posting your links, going to Instagram, going to Twitter and posting your links. That's what they're talking about. If you do it in a in a professional, like if you do it in a limited way, then it's okay. But if you spam it, then it's called spamming, okay? So again, you will not make any money with it, but you will make beautiful websites, which we will show you in the demo in the next 2 minutes. All right, now it says add opt-in forms to any site your like link. So you can have your subscriber opt-in forms there. You can add call to action so that people can click on your affiliate links, and then put custom videos on virtually any site. So there are a lot of features, okay? So when you think of this software, of this plugin, as a website maker, as a website designer, it is good. You can buy it. But if you mix it with make money online, then don't buy, because it's not gonna make you money, but it will make you beautiful websites, okay? So let's do one thing. Let's try to go into the dashboard so that we can show you the demo exactly how it works, and then you will understand what I'm talking about. So here is the dashboard. This is a demo, and at the top you can see it shows softstream.com, okay? Now we are on softstream.com. Here you can see this is their IT website. So these people who has launched this product, it is their main website, softstream.com, and they are IT company. They are IT people. They provide IT services to clients and everything. And this is their phone number, and you can see everything how it works. This is their address as well. So these people have made this software, this plugin for WordPress, and then you can actually use the same plugin to install on your website. Now in this example, this is softstream.com demo, but you will have to install it on your own website. So your own website could be abc.com, bbc.com, whatever your website name is. So you will have to, first of all, the first prerequisite, first requirement is that you are supposed to have a WordPress website. If you don't have a WordPress website, then you can't get this Borrowify plugin, okay? Now let's say you have a abc.com on WordPress, then you will install this Borrowify, and then you click on Borrowify, and then here you will see it says create campaign. Okay, you click on create campaign, and then you need to put in the URL of the website which you want to copy. So let's say you talk about like apple.com, yahoo.com, or microsoft.com, those are big websites, but it has got nothing to do with big websites because it is not going to transfer any authority. It is only going to duplicate their layouts, their pages. So in this example, let's see if we have any Borrowify review. It's a pretty hard name to pronounce, Borrowify, okay? So Borrowify review, okay? Let's type that in Google search. And let's see if we have any website here. It's all YouTube videos, which you can see. Okay, all YouTube videos, and this is the website. We have flashreviews.com. Let's open this website, flashreviews.com, and then you will see that they have given this Borrowify review, and they must have linked their somewhere their affiliate link here, as you can see now at the bottom. Yeah, so it's all there. Now what we're gonna do is let's copy this URL just for sake of this example. Then we go back to dashboard and we just paste this URL and we click on this thing called live edit page, okay? Now you will see that at the top you see their domain here is flashreviews.com, okay? But when you have tried to edit this website, the domain is softstream.com, which means it will be on your domain. You will be able to copy the whole thing, but it will be on your own domain. Now, if your own domain does not have any website authority, then your blogs will not rank. So for example, let's see what is the history or authority of this website. So we go to headshirts.com/backlink-checker, and then we're going to put in or paste this link here of flashreviews.com, and then click on check backlinks and not a robot. And let's see what is their website authority. So it's loading and loading. Now it's 31. You see here. So the flashreviews.com domain rating is 31. And if you come back here to dashboard, if your website rating, let's say you have a website abc.com, if your website's rating is not 31 or more, then it will not rank on first page of Google, because here you can see mostly there are YouTube videos and the last two are websites, and this one is having a domain rating 31. So forget that your website will rank in Google if you do not have a strong domain rating already, okay? Because this copy website thing is going to happen on your domain, not on this domain, okay? So you are not making any changes here. Nothing. You can't change anything here because it's somebody else's website. You can't change things on somebody else's website, okay? But what you can do is you can copy the whole thing and you can have it on your own website. All right, let me, I don't think I can close it. I'll just do ppc.com. I'm smarter than them, okay? Right, so now let's say you have copied the whole page. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna just edit, you are gonna put in some more text. You're gonna put in your affiliate links by clicking on call to action, and then you're going to put some images. So you can edit everything here as per your likings, all right? But the problem is you'll need to have a unique content, okay? So you got everything as per flashreviews.com, but you can't have everything same because it will be a duplicate content. And if it's a duplicate content, then your website will never rank. So you will have to change all this content here, okay? You will have to change all this content, and their live editing is not working properly, as you can see. So I'm trying to click on this thing called close way, clicking OK. It's not working. So I don't think this software is going to work in real time for you. So this is something, again, it's not going to make you any money. Now here we have to come back. I'm going to refresh it. Let's see what happens. Okay. So you can see that it copies the whole page, but now you're stuck here. You have to put in the email, and this will actually freeze or hang the whole page. The software is not working. That's what I can tell you. The concept is that you put in some URL of some other websites here, and then you just go ahead and edit that page, and then you just go ahead and put in your affiliate links, and then you go ahead and maybe put that post on your domain on your website. But your website will never rank if your content is duplicate and if you do not have strong domain authority. Okay, so your website will never rank. So that means this software is hardly of any use to you. Now, if you really want to start a new review website, there are two ways to make money online. Either you start your own YouTube channel and review these products, or do some other affiliate marketing on YouTube. This is one way. But if you're not comfortable in speaking, in YouTube videos or coming on camera, then you can do the backend thing. Like you can start a website like this, and then you can do the review on the website in text format, and then do the SEO for that website so that people can see that website in Google search, and that is how you can make some money online. Okay, now in this case, what you need to do is, if you are actually looking to get a website, you can look into the unlimited hosting option, because in order to get the website, first of all, you will need to buy the domain. So you can buy the domain at one-time cost for 1 year. But when it comes to hosting, you will have to actually spend every month. So if you go with GoDaddy or DreamHost, Bluehost, Namecheap, so these companies charges you for hosting every month. Like they charge you $10 to $15 every month. And as a beginner, you don't want to do that. So what you should do is, you should take a look at the link in the description below, because that link takes you to this website called Hostpresso, and this gives you unlimited hosting in one-time cost. So let's say if you're thinking about starting a website, then you need to just go ahead and get this hosting here. As you can see, let me click on this thing. So you can actually go to this page here, hostpresso.com, and you can get unlimited website hosting in one-time price, and you don't have to pay each and every month, because this is for beginners. All right, if you don't have enough money and you want unlimited hosting so that you don't have to pay every month, this is what you can go for, and then you can buy the domain and then start a review website like this. Okay, so you can take motivation from these people. They do reviews for these affiliate products every day, so you can go to their homepage. You can see how do they do the reviews. For example, this video freedom review, let me see which video they have taken here. Hopefully they should not take mine. Let me see which video I have. Some people do take my videos and they link onto their website, so just make sure that, okay, they have not taken my video, I think, in this case. Anyway, so you can take reference from these people, that how do they write reviews, and then use it on your website, use it on your own domain, and then get this unlimited hosting. That is how you can start your review website in maybe 24 hours. Okay, because you can find the content from YouTube and write it in your own words, then go ahead and just paste it on your WordPress website and do some SEO. Because as you can see here, your website needs to have a domain rating of 31 or more. So you have to learn some SEO, you have to increase your domain rating, and then you can get some organic traffic, and that is how you will make some money eventually in the long run. Okay, so right now, this particular Borrowify, it is a WordPress copy plugin of other websites. It's not even working properly. So in my recommendation, I think you should not go for it. Okay, it's not going to make you money anyway. And I tried to do the demo, and the live demo didn't work. You can see we are stuck here. We can't do anything. We can't click on anything. Nothing is working here. Okay, so even the technical part of the software is not working. So from my end, it is no, don't buy this, because it's not gonna it's not gonna help you with anything. If you still have to like review some products online, then go for the manual way, because there's no shortcut. Okay, you have to do it manually. Establish your website, buy the domain, buy the hosting. It is only for $12. They are giving you a discount of $5 here. It was $17 earlier. Now it is only $12. So you can get your hosting up and running in $12. And remember, this is not monthly, this is one time. Okay, and then once your website is live, go to these review websites, take reference, take motivation from there, then write the review in your own time, and that is how you can start your review website within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's talk about the bonuses here as well, because A lot of people will brainwash you that they want to give you $4,000 bonus, $10,000 bonus. Do not fall for that crap, because the bonus is only a crap. Nobody is actually putting money into your bank account, because if somebody gives you money into your bank account, that is called bonus. So for me, if my boss pays me salary and then they give me bonus in Christmas, that is liquid cash for me, that is bonus. But all this crap which you see online, that is no bonus, okay? Because I'll tell you one website which you can go through, and then you can get unlimited bonus, as much bonus you want from that website, okay? It's called idplr.com. Now, once you're on this website, it will show you that you can get free products. You click on this thing called free products, then you click on free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audios. Let's say we click on free videos in this example, and it will show you all those free videos which you can actually even resell. So if you see some master resell rights here, for example, these ones coming with master resell rights, so even you can resell this video to somebody else and charge them if you want to. So this is how the bonuses work. You don't have to depend on somebody else to crap you about bonuses. You have the gold mine of bonuses here. Just go through this idpillar.com, get as many free bonuses you want to, because bonuses are only brainwash. They only waste of your time, because your actual focus was to find about Borrowify, right? It's a hard name to pronounce. So your actual focus was to buy Borrowify, but you ended up buying 4 more bonuses, and now you don't know what to do with those bonuses, okay? So don't let your mind slip away, because these bonuses don't make you any money. It's only a waste of time. And do one thing: if you want to start a website, you can buy your domain, buy the hosting, and then you can do the website reviews manually. And if you can make YouTube videos, that's good. Then you can link your website in the description of your YouTube videos, and that is how you can promote it, okay? So that will be all for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, because this channel is going to save you money in the long run, and we'll see you shortly in the next video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, okay?